Oh, no. No, I'm just in the process of editing that. No! Oh, no.
He sent me. I knew he wouldn't leave us.
Excuse me. Ready to hit them clubs? Heck. Excuse me. Well, that's another one. So remember, kids, if you hear fire alarms, it's probably... Oh, goodness. The sneeze got me. It was like, no, stop lying to the children. Excuse me, by the way. Really, right now, eh? Ooh. Oh, excuse me. I'm not even as close. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Excuse me. Do tell me more. And I'm not surprised that liar with a... Oh. Oh, hello. Oh. Excuse me. Whew. Excuse me. Why? Oh, don't you just sit there, sneeze. There it is. Oh, God. Excuse me. Oh, that just lingered. Oh, that's how we end stream right there. With one more towards the frickin' sneeze comp. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Oh, excuse me.
Because it's valuable. Oh, did we just trap the merchant in here?
Dang it. Excuse me.
Bless you.
Oh, sorry. Ring. Oh, lordy. Also, sneeze.
Lady Luna die gifted A tier 1 sub to Spencer T Frostback.
Excuse
Lady
me.
Luna die gifted A.
Fought most valiantly. The... Woo! Oh! Excuse me. Look, I'm a simple businessman, you know, with a simple business plan. It goes like this. Just like that. Excuse me. I'm gonna make another fire, I guess. Ooh. Oh. Oh no. More sneezes. Oh. Oh. Excuse me. Whoa. Let me just mark that because I think that's a sneeze compilation. We did it. We reached another sneeze compilation. I'm so sorry, everyone.